Are you planning to visit the USA this 2025? Whether it's for tourism, visiting the family, or for business. Getting a USA tourist visa, the B1/B2 visa, can be tricky if you don't follow the right steps. So in this video today, I will walk you through the complete visa application process, the documents required, and how to avoid common mistakes that will lead to rejection. So stay with me till the end. Step 1, you need to first determine your type of visa. You need to first determine what type of visa do you need for the purpose of your travel. The USA offers different types of visas, but for the tourists, there are two main types of visa, which is the B1 visa for business travelers attending meetings or conferences or negotiations. And then we have the B2 visa for tourists visiting family or for medical treatment. But most travelers apply for both the B1 and the B2 visa combined together, which allows for both tourism and business. Next, step 2, you need to complete the DS-160 form online on the Department of State website. This is the most important part of your application process. And here is what you need to do. Go to ceac.state.gov/DS-160. Fill in personal details, travel history, and purpose of visit. Upload a recent passport size photograph. And the passport size photograph, make sure it meets up with the US visa photo requirements. And this brings us to step 3. Step 3 is pay the visa fee. After completing the DS-160 form online, you will need to pay the visa fee, the visa application fee, which is around $185 as of this year, 2025. Payment method also depends on your country, and you will find the details on your local US embassy's website also. And step 4 is schedule your visa interview. Once you've made the visa application payment, the next thing you need to do is for you to book your visa book an appointment for your visa interview at the US embassy or consulate in your country. Interview slots can fill up very fast, so what you need to do is try to book for your interview as soon as possible, as soon as you are done paying your visa application fee. And here is what to expect when you go for the interview. 1, security check. You need to arrive at the embassy early with your documents. 2, face-to-face interview. The consular officer will ask you questions about your travel plans, your finances, and also your ties to your home country. So expect all this when you go for your visa interview. And last on what to expect when you go for your visa interview is approval or rejection. If your visa is approved, you will have to leave your passport for visa stamping. And next is step 5. Prepare this document for your interview. To increase your chances of your visa approval, you need to go with the following documents. Go to the embassy with the right document. And this document you need to go with includes valid international passport. Make sure your international passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your travel date. And go with the DS-160 confirmation page. That is that DS-160 form that you fill online. Print the barcode and the barcode page and go with it. And then go with the visa appointment confirmation, a proof that you've actually scheduled for your interview. You need to print out that confirmation page and go with it also. And then you need to go also with your financial proof, that is bank statement, pay slips, or a sponsor details. That is, if somebody is actually sponsoring your trip, you need to go with it to show that you can actually fund your trip. And lastly, you need to go with a document that shows that you have strong ties to your home country. That is a proof that you return back to your home country after your visit to the US. You can go with documents such as a job letter, a property document, or a family ties, that is family photos to show you have old parents, or you have kids, or you have husband, or you have wife, and to show them, to prove to them that you have no reason to stay back in the USA after your visit. You have to definitely go back to your home country. Step 6, attend your visa interview. What to expect. Your visa interview is the most crucial step. Here is what you need to do and what you need to know before you attend the visa interview. Dress professionally, because first impression matters, and be honest and confident. Answer all questions clearly and truthfully. Do not lie and do not use false documents. And also the common interview questions include: 1, why do you want to visit the USA? 2, how long do you intend to stay? How long will you stay in the USA? 3, who is funding your trip? 4, why do you have 4 is do you have strong ties to your home country? So make sure you make research about all these questions, and try to know all these questions before you attend the interview, so you don't end up messing it up. And step 7, visa approval or rejection. What next? After your visa interview, your visa will be either rejected or approved. If your visa is approved, your passport will be kept for stamping, for visa stamping, and you will receive it within a few days. And if it's rejected, you will get a paper explaining the reasons why your visa is being rejected. But don't worry, even after rejection, you can reapply after fixing the issue, because in the paper they will explain the reasons why your visa is rejected. So you need to work on those particular issues. If it's about documents, get the proper document. If it's false information, make sure you have the correct informations, and you can reapply again. Sometimes when you reapply, you might even be lucky to get the visa so fast, because already you have the experience. Now let me give you some tips on how to avoid rejections. Many applicants get rejected because of these common mistakes. 1, providing incomplete or false information. 2, failing to prove strong ties to home country. That is, you are showing them that you are not going back to your country after visiting USA. And 3, suspicious travel history or unclear financial support. So to improve your chances of approval, always be honest, have strong documentation, and practice for your interview before you go for the interview. And that's how you apply for the USA tourist visa in this 2025. If this guide was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notification so you never miss an important update. Also, drop a comment if you have any visa related questions. I'll be happy to help you. See you in the next video.